Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry easy. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped before you start cooking. This means washing and chopping your vegetables, slicing your protein, and mixing your sauce. Having everything ready, often called mise en place, is key for a smooth stir-fry process. It prevents overcooking and ensures all components are added at the right time for optimal flavor and texture. Next, let's get cooking. Start by heating a couple of tablespoons of oil in your wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or tofu, until it's almost cooked through, then set it aside. Now, add your harder vegetables, like carrots or bell peppers, and stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start to become tender crisp. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your softer vegetables, like spinach or bean sprouts, to the pan and stir-fry for just about 1 minute. Then, return your cooked protein to the pan with all the vegetables. Finally, pour your delicious, pre-mixed stir-fry sauce over the entire mixture. Toss everything gently to ensure every piece is coated in that flavorful sauce, cooking for another minute or two until it thickens slightly. Your easy stir-fry is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed rice or your favorite noodles. For an extra touch of flavor and presentation, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or some freshly chopped green onions. This quick and customizable meal is perfect for busy weeknights. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.